Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best rated cookware sets on the market, the GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set. Designed for both novice cooks and culinary experts, this set promises an exceptional cooking experience with its innovative features and sleek design. Let's explore what makes it stand out. The GreenLife set includes a comprehensive array of kitchen essentials, from a mini frying pan to large stock pots, all featuring a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating. This means healthier cooking without compromising on convenience. Impressively, the ceramic nonstick surface ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, making it a breeze to maintain even after the messiest meals. The handles are crafted from Bakelite, designed to stay cool during stovetop use, offering comfort and safety. Each piece is built with a sturdy base for optimal heat distribution, ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. To wrap up, if you're in the market for top-tier cookware that combines health-conscious design with practicality, the GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set deserves serious consideration. It's a solid investment for any kitchen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you make informed decisions.